Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new question from my audience. So let's get started on the question I have. Okay, I need some help. I have added phrase match keywords to my call ads, and I keep getting broad keywords that keep showing up every day, and I can't figure out how to stop that from happening. I'm deleting them out of the keyword section every day, but more keep showing up. Okay, so for your solution, for your problem, I have two solutions for you, because you are saying that you are deleting them out of the keyword section every day, but more keep up showing. It means that there's a pattern which is happening on your keyword section, and that is why, because of auto recommendation. If you open Google Ads, you may have seen, check your notifications, and you may seen that there is a auto recommendations which automatically keep on adding new keywords for your campaign, which is the reason why you are seeing broad match keywords on your account every day. So look around on auto recommendation, stop those from applying, and that will sort out your issue. But to be on safe side, I also recommend you to create a negative keyword list. Okay, so if you have some keyword added as a negative keyword, your ad won't be shown, even regardless of whatever keyword you may keep on adding in your campaign. So add those keywords in a negative keywords, because if you see a trend, add those keywords in negative keywords, and that can help you in sorting out those issues. So that is a very good practice in solving out. So I hope this answers your question as well. So you have to do two things. First you have to turn off auto recommendation by notification bar, and the second is you have to create your negative keyword list and add those keywords in your negative keywords from which you do not want people to see your ad, or you do not want them to land in the website from those keywords. So you can simply add this. So I hope this sort your answer as well. So in case if you are looking for more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, guys get a notification. And in case if you're looking for Google Ads management setup, audit, optimization for Google Ads, Facebook Ads, even SEO services, or even web development services, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is click on the link in the description to get started working with us, and we will love to help you in creating an awesome, optimized, digital marketing campaign. So good luck. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.